Hey guys, been working on this laptop here. It's a HP 15 laptop. Okay, a TPN C125 is the model number. Okay, and what we did here is we swapped out the HDD for the SSD hard drive. And what I want to do here is show the benefits of an SSD hard drive. And what it boils down to is the upload speed, how long it takes for everything, all the programs to get up and start running and be ready to be used without the lag time of having to wait. And that's where you get your benefit from an SSD. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and shut this thing down. So this right here, this computer, I did the swap out, and now it is running the most current Windows 10 software. Okay? So now what we're going to do here is we're going to shut this down completely, then bring it back up. Okay? So we're going to do that here at 1:30, okay? Minute and 30 seconds is when we turned it back on. So let's see how long it takes. Boom. As you can see, it just popped up. It's already ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and sign in here. Okay, boom. As you can see, everything is already uploaded. Everything is already ready to go, and you're talking in 30 seconds. Okay? So let's see here. This is the task manager. This is showing the spike in the beginning, the CPU, the Pentium processor. Spike in the beginning when everything came on, and now you see it. It's starting to level off. Memory is good. It's stabilized. The disk space, everything that is running on the disk is ready to go, and it tells you right there what kind of disk it is. It's the HP SSD 700 Pro, and the Wi-Fi is connected. Cool. Okay. But you can see, I mean, everything is already up and running. Everything is ready to go. And that is the sole benefit of having a SSD compared to an HDD. Now, HDD might literally take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to completely upload and have everything ready to go. So this right here, look, the internet's ready to go. It's not waiting. It's ready to go. So let's do a speed test. Look at how it's pulling up. Everything is just running. Look at that. Internet's running good. Everything is connected. Nothing is bogging out. Nothing is sitting here trying to upload while you're trying to run a different program. Things are trying to upload in the background. Let's look for a picture of SpongeBob. Okay. Look at this. This thing is ready to go. Look at these pictures pop up. Boom. This whole computer is completely and absolute. Everything is open and ready to go. And those are the benefits of a SSD. So the one that I put in here, the SSD 256 gigabytes that I put in here was for about $70. Installation is $100. So you're talking about having an extremely optimal computer, you know, with no lag time, for less than $200. So just let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, just comment below. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Thank you guys.